Hello, everyone. This is a little bit of an update for your group files, your audio files at least. Will Payne, one of your classmates, asked a very good question, and I'm going to be responding to him directly and to you more in general. Once you've got Audacity and LAME, what a terrible acronym, installed on your computer, it's not necessarily intuitive, but what we're going to do, I'm going to walk you through making a little bit of a test file, and hopefully this will explain. Okay, so up here you have these knobs: pause, play, rewind, and then record. Okay, so when you get ready to do the text of your presentation, go up here and click record, and I'm just going to make a very brief. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's my test file. Okay, now I'm going to go over, and just to make sure everything flowed well, I'm gonna play it. So you go over to this green arrow and you go play. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's my test file. Awesome. Okay, so the next point is not necessarily intuitive. Okay, you'd think you'd go to save up here under file, but no. All it's going to do is tell you something. Oh, this is not gonna go anywhere. This isn't gonna do anything. So what you've got to do is you've now got to export this audio file into an MP3 file. So I'm going to go export audio, MP3 file. I'm going to go test file. And, for SOC. And I'm going to save it right there. And I'm going to go group 0. And I'm going to click save. And I'm going to save it to some place that I know I'm going to be able to find it, my desktop. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to save it there to desktop. Okay. And I'm going to save it there. Okay. So now, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do next? Okay, so I'm gonna get out of there. I'm gonna get out of Audacity. No, I'm not gonna. Okay. No, I don't care. So now I'm gonna go back out here, and I'm gonna shrink this down. No, I'm saving changes, and we're gonna get down here, and over here, notice on my desktop, right? I have this. My desktop is just a tragic clutter. I have this now test file MP3. Okay. I'm opening it up. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One. Okay, and it'll play on a loop. Okay, the test file looks something like it'll look like this on my desktop. Okay, let me move my mug up here. It'll look something like that. Okay, hopefully this answered your question, and hopefully I'm going to make this also available to everybody else, but I'm sending it to you directly. Thanks a lot.